Hi, my name is Glenn Aitchison. I'm the Engineering Director at Aberdrive Innovation Limited. I look after all the engineering facilities within the business, taking all the specifications from the CTO and developing our products, including our modular battery pack and our other BMS type products. Aberdrive Innovation is a really exciting company to work for at the moment. We are pushing the boundaries of what we know about battery management systems and evolving what we know into a more safe and a better product for all of our customers. I enjoy the activities I do at Aberdrive, looking after the engineering team, looking after all the work that we do and controlling and managing and building that skill set is really challenging. We are transitioning at the moment into a more commercial entity and building all those processes to allow us to develop a better process, a better product for all the customers and for our safety is really challenging, really exciting at the moment.